Hi, welcome to Elink, the fastest way to create email newsletters. Today we're going to show you how you can create beautiful curated MixMax newsletters in minutes. Once you create an account on Elink.io, click on Create New Post. You can choose from a wide array of templates or start from scratch. In this tutorial, let's go ahead and start from scratch. Step 1. Start by pasting the web links you want to share in this text field. You can add web links from articles, videos, websites, cloud files, social media posts, and much more. Elink will automatically turn each web link into a visual bookmark on the right-hand side. You can personalize each tile by updating the title, description, or image. You also have the option of collecting and adding links from your link library, RSS feed, or Elink's Chrome extension to build an email newsletter on the go. Step 2. Add a beautiful header by including a header banner and introductory text. You can also choose whether you want to include your profile. Step 3. Wow your audience by choosing from over 30 plus beautiful responsive layouts to make your email newsletter look amazing. The best part is that you can come back anytime to update your layout, even after it's been published. Step 4. Personalize the look and feel of your content to make it stand out by selecting colors, fonts, and button text. Once you're done, simply hit publish. Step 5. You'll see the various ways you can share your Elink post. In this particular example, let's go ahead and select Send Newsletter. You can send Elink newsletters via Gmail, MailChimp, or through just about any third-party email provider that allows HTML import. Elink works with dozens of email providers like ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, MixMax, and many more. To export Elink's newsletter to MixMax, click on Proceed in the HTML section. Click on Copy to Clipboard. Now head over to your Gmail account that's connected with your MixMax. Click Compose to create a brand new email. Next, click the MixMax menu button and select Custom HTML, and a pop-up will come up. Paste the Elink newsletter code inside of the editor and hit Insert. You'll see your beautiful Elink newsletter is ready to be sent out. Elink newsletters have been tested with over 90 plus email clients and are fully responsive to look great on various size devices. You can create curated email newsletters on just about anything, from news stories, events, product sales, latest blog posts, property listings, videos, research, educational content, and more. Here are just some of the growing list of email providers Elink's HTML newsletter export works with. To see how to export HTML newsletters with any of these services, visit Elink's Help Center. Go to Elink.io and create beautiful content in minutes.